This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel.
Today we're making tomato and egg stir fry. It's a simple dish to make, lots of flavor, lots of taste, and especially for you. So let's get started.
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
We're using tomatoes and green peppers from my garden. Any kind of tomatoes, you need about a cup to a cup and a half of chopped tomatoes. You can cut the tomatoes in even wedges, or I just rough cut the tomatoes. They don't have to look exactly the same. And then when you get tomatoes from your garden, you can use different varieties of tomatoes. You cut the green peppers, cut the top and the bottom off, and then cut it in half lengthwise. And then you take out the pith and slice the green pepper into thin slices. You can cut the green peppers into any shape, but I like to keep it thin slices for easier cooking. You can also use red peppers or yellow peppers for added color. For this recipe, I would suggest using 6 to 7 eggs. So beat the eggs with chopsticks or a fork. Preheat your pan at medium to medium-high heat. 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil, into your pan. Let the eggs settle for about 30 to 45 seconds before you start scrambling. So this way you get more fluffy scrambled eggs. So scramble the eggs to about 3/4 cooked. Keep the pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add some more cooking oil if you need it. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of chopped ginger, a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add other aromatics such as onions. So you need about a cup to a cup and a half of onions. The onions are quick stir fry. And to add the green peppers. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. So for this order, you can put in about a cup to a cup and a half of tomatoes. For the next step, we're going to put a half cup to a 3/4 cup of chicken stock. Here I put 1 teaspoon of chicken soup base and 1 teaspoon of vegetable soup base. Add the chicken stock to the pan. Then I'm going to add some more red color using natural beet powder. So put about a teaspoon of red beet powder. Mix it into the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Add some salt to sharpen the flavor. I have natural sea salt. You can omit the salt if you like. For added flavor, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, also known as light soy sauce. To thicken the sauce, I'm going to make a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water. So add the slurry to thicken your sauce to the desired thickness. So add back your scrambled eggs. Give the sauce a final stir fry. So don't overcook the sauce. And now all the ingredients are mixed up well. So there you have it. My version of tomato and egg stir fry. Enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you think.
So these are celebrity tomatoes. These are easy to grow. It takes about 65 to 70 days.
Really juicy tomatoes. These are early grow tomatoes, really juicy tomatoes, really easy to grow as well.
So these are tomatoes I harvested just now. So there going to be a lot of tomatoes using this wicking system. So about 300 tomatoes using 8 plants in 7 pots.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.